I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide text message previews on your Apple CarPlay screen. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap Notifications. Step 3. Scroll through your app list and tap Messages. Step 4. Look for the lock screen appearance section at the bottom of the screen and then tap Show Previews. Step 5. Tap to place a checkmark next to Never. Going forward, when you receive a text message while connected to Apple CarPlay, you will still get a notification that you have a new message, but the actual text content of the message will be hidden. Keep in mind that changing this setting affects previews across your entire iPhone, not just on the CarPlay screen, so your text previews will also be hidden on your iPhone's lock screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.